Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Chevy Silverado 2500HD. Stock number is A7274. Starting right away up front, you have easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. HID headlights will keep you nice and safe, and then you also have the chrome bumper and chrome grille. A look down the passenger side. You have 20-inch fuel alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tire, these tires are brand new. You can see great tread left there. We're going to take a look underneath as well. You have running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Center console folds up, as you can see, to become an additional third seat in the front row, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch as well as a rear backup camera. Trail FX bed liner in the back here keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls here. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo, climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.